Because guess what? You're going to get a rate. It's probably not going to be your rate. Then you pick somebody because they quoted you a low rate when they quoted you something you can't even qualify for. So by the end of the video, guess what? I'm going to tell you what to say and what to ask to make sure that you get your rate quote, not the rate quote. How are mortgage rates determined, right? Everyone wants to know this. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that I can help to teach you how to understand how mortgage rates are actually determined. For your one-stop shop, anything and everything mortgage piece, aka mortgage education, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified because I post new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. You know what's really cool and I'm very, very proud of? That I have been recognized in the top 1% in the nation from mortgage loan officers several years in a row. There are over 300,000 loan officers. Stick around, I'm here to help you with everything that I know so that you can have mortgage peace. What determines mortgage rates? Super, super great question. I am so glad that you asked me. So it has to do with so many factors. The treasury bond, the notes, the economy. It has to do with volume, ebb and flow. It has to do with what types of buckets of loans that investors want to purchase. It has to do with things going on with Fannie, Freddie, Ginnie, and VA. Those all have impacts. All those things go into affecting mortgage rates. You know what does not go into it is the federal funds rate. It's apples and oranges, people. So there are so many factors that go into it, and that's just the market factors I'm talking about. That's not even the factors that have to do with you and your loan. So there are so many things that go into it. So stick around because by the time we get to the end of all my tips for this video, you're gonna really understand how to get yourself the best rate. So I gave you a quick overview of what goes into mortgage rates. Just a very, very, very quick overview so that you know how many things come into play. But what determines your rate? Yes, yours. Because your rate is different than my rate, is different than my cousin's rate, is different than my neighbor's rate. Why? Because it's so case by case. So I actually kind of say like, look, it's like doing blood work, okay? If I don't do your blood work as a doctor, then I can't tell you what is wrong with you and what kind of supplements that you might need in comparison to the other person and their blood work, because it's so different. And I know that sounds maybe a little bit weird, but it's totally true. So here are some of the factors that go into your rate. The loan type, the loan term, the loan to value, your credit score, whether you're paying points or whether you're not paying points. What type of mortgage insurance you're choosing can actually go into affecting that interest rate as well. Your loan amount actually also goes into that. So let me try to recap again, see if I can hit everything. We've got loan term, loan amortization, loan type, as far as like Fannie, Freddie, Ginnie, VA, FHA, RD, like those kind of things. But also loan type as far as like, is it a purchase? Is it a refinance? Is it a cash out refinance versus a regular refinance? One thing I forgot a second ago was occupancy. Is it primary residence, secondary residence? Is it investment property? The other thing I forgot a second ago is number of units. Is it 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit? Don't forget, again, loan amount, credit score, loan term, loan to value, loan type, units, occupancy. Do you see how that can make it so different for you and your neighbor, friend, whatever, to not have the same mortgage rate? And that's why the words that I call, how do I call this? How do I politically correctly say this? The kiss of death, okay? Calling everybody around and saying, what's your rate? Because guess what? You're gonna get a rate. It's probably not gonna be your rate. Then you pick somebody because they quoted you a low rate when they quoted you something you can't even qualify for. So by the end of the video, guess what? I'm gonna tell you what to say and what to ask to make sure that you get your rate quote, not the rate quote. So you are probably ready for what you've been waiting for. And that is, Stephanie, how the heck do I get a rate quote then? Since you've given me all this information and it's overwhelming, and how do I figure this out? How do I get a good rate quote for my own self and my own situation? Well, here's how. And it's easy well, it's just, what's the word? No, it's simple, but it may not be easy. Here's what I mean. You don't always know what loan type is best for you. You don't. That's why there's so many amazing loan officers out there that are there to advise you. But the best thing you can do is start off with at least accurate data when you want to get a quote, okay? So don't say, what's your mortgage rate? Please, please don't say that. What you want to say is, hey, I am buying a home. I'm looking at a condo. I would like to get your rate. Let me tell you my details. This is my credit score. I'm thinking I want to go with this loan type. I'm thinking I want to go with this loan term. This is how much money I want to put down. I'm going to live in the house. I'm going to rent the house. It's my second home. Whatever it is applies. I'm thinking of spending in this price range. Therefore, I'm thinking I'm going to have around this loan amount. Mr. Loan Officer, tell me the quote on that, but please advise me if you find something that might fit my needs better, because my goal for closing, cash to close, is this. My goal for sales price is that, and my goal for payment is here. And with all that information, can you please give me a quote for me and suggest to me maybe what might be my best loan type in case what I think is actually not best for me? See, guys, simple, but maybe not easy. But knowledge is power, and you need and deserve mortgage peace. So I hope this helps. Cheat sheet or checklist as promised. So my cheat sheet is going to be, for this one, is going to be the best mortgage analyzation sheet. I'm going to drop the link below. And remember, don't get stuck on the rate, get stuck on the details. And hopefully this sheet will kind of help you have a good idea of what your situation is and your goals are, which is going to help your amazing loan officer price you in the right loan. Type peace. Type peace in the comments if you think this video is going to help you get a better rate quote and not have surprises. Did you do it yet? You know you want to. As always, I've got other videos for you to check out. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified. Thank you so much. Please share this video and help me spread mortgage peace. Let's connect on social media. My Insta is _TheRealStephanieWeeks. I'm also on Facebook as well. I also have a website, StephanieWeeks.com.